Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I am your IT teacher and this is grade 5th IT. In today's video, let us start lesson number 9. This is page number 90. Formatting a presentation. Okay, formatting means changing the appearances of text. You can enhance the look of text by changing the font face, font size, color, specifying the alignments, line spacing, inserting tab or indents, and even applying bullets. While formatting, you can select either the placeholder to select the entire text or select a piece of text. Okay, so formatting means changing the appearance of text. Okay, so you can change font size, color, and you can specify the alignments as well as line spacing, and you can insert the tab or indents and even applying bullets also. Okay, always remember, while formatting text, first select the text and then apply the formatting effects. Okay, so what you have to do? So you have to remember, while formatting the text, first you have to select the text, then apply the formatting effects. Formatting can be done using buttons on the Format tab under Drawing Tools. Formatting can be done using buttons on the Format tab under Drawing Tools. Working with Slide Master. The Slide Master is an element of the template that stores information including font style, placeholder, sizes, position of text and objects, bullet styles, background designs and color schemes. Slide Master sets the default layout and formatting for all other slides. It actually controls an entire presentation. What it do? It actually controls an entire presentation. Any changes made in the Slide Master page automatically reflects on every slide in the presentation. Slide Master consists of two placeholders. Slide Master consists of two placeholders. First one is slide title placeholder. Second is body text placeholder. Each Slide Master contains one or more standard or custom sets of layouts. Each Slide Master contains one or more standard or custom sets of layouts. See, this is figure 9.1, working with Slide Master. Okay, so this is the Slide Master. Okay, so these are the Slide Master. Sets the default layout and formatting all other slides. Okay, so these are the slides. It will format all other slides also. Slide first is what? Slide Master consists of two placeholder. First, slide title placeholder. What is slide title placeholder? It is the first placeholder for the title of the page. It is the first placeholder for the title of the page. So this is the click to edit master title style. So this is the title of the page. It contains a title. You can move the title placeholder anywhere on a slide. Okay, anywhere on a slide you can move the title placeholder. So this is about slide title placeholder. Next, body text placeholder. This placeholder includes general objects like text with bullets, charts, pictures and many more. So this placeholder includes general objects like text with bullets, charts, pictures and many more. So in today's class we have learned about working with Slide Master, and we have learned Slide Master consists of two placeholder, slide title placeholder, body text placeholder. Okay, so in the next class I will be doing the continuation of the remaining concept. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.